if the biggest animals on earth, like whales and elephants, have millions of times more cells than you and me, shouldn't they be like cancer factories? By all logic, their size and age should make them far more likely to get cancer than us, and yet they almost never do. The real question is, what do they know about beating cancer that we don't? You and I each have about 30 trillion cells. Each time a cell divides, there's a chance of mutation, and too many mutations can cause cancer. Now multiply that by the size of a whale or elephant. That should be game over, right? But it's not. This mystery is called Petter's paradox. Why some of the largest and longest living animals rarely develop cancer. Elephants are practically superheroes. Despite having 100 times more cells than us, they are 5 times less likely to get cancer. Their secret is the p53 gene. While you and I only have 2 copies of this tumor suppressor gene, elephants have 20 copies. So if an elephant cell starts to go bad, p53 forces it to repair itself or self-destruct. That's why tumors almost never stand a chance. Whales take another approach. Blue whales have 1,000 times more cells than us, yet cancer is rare. Scientists discovered that whales have supercharged DNA repair systems. Their cells are like master editors, constantly proofreading, spotting mistakes, and fixing them before they cause trouble. And there's more. Whales also carry unique tumor suppressor genes that humans simply don't have. Now let's get small. The naked mole rat. These pink rodents can live up to 30 years, which is unheard of for rodents. And guess what? They almost never get cancer. The reason is a sticky molecule called high molecular mass hyaluronan. This sugar-like substance in their skin stops cells from overcrowding. And then there are sharks. For decades, people believed sharks never got cancer. That turned out not to be completely true. They can, but it's extremely rare. Their immune systems seem to work in ways we don't fully understand. Sharks produce unique compounds in their cartilage and blood that might suppress tumor growth. So the big question is, if nature has already solved cancer in whales, elephants, and mole rats, would it one day solve it for us too? And speaking of nature's mysteries, here's something else that will blow your mind. Some animal mothers are doomed to die just by giving birth. Why would evolution allow that? Stick around because that story is even stranger than this one.